Hello everyone, so today we are going to make a vitiligo patch on this particular place. It's not a full treatment now, we are going to do the patch test. Patch test has been done, we are planned to proceed with the remaining places of the body. As you can see, we started doing it. We are matching the exact skin tone of her tone. It's coming up so smooth and good. There's no much of a bleeding, much of a swelling. And we highly recommend everyone to be at least wait for 30 days after the patch test has been done. Because if you did not give the at least 30 days for that to heal, then it will not going to give you the proper output. So we recommend you to be wait at least for 30 days. Once the patch test has been done, 2 weeks is maximum the healing period time, and another 2 weeks we call that as a cooling period time. So in that duration we can get to know how much the skin is getting accessed with this and how it's accepting it and what are all the possibilities of output in the future. So in that way we can get to know very clearly how this is going to be turns and how it's going to come, and we can strongly go ahead and proceed with the remaining places of the body. There are small reddishness and small bleeding will be there. That's completely normal. That's because of the treatment and it is fresh. In a matter of 2 to 3 hours it will all become completely normal. So you don't need to worry about it. If you guys have any more doubts, please do contact us. We have attached our contact number in the description as well as in the title. Our team will be help you out with all the details. See, now the process has been completed and it is so smooth and good, and we'll be upload the heal tattoo so soon. Don't die nude.